Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will be discussing the paper pattern of the science subject of SSLC students. So, paper pattern as well as the formulae, important formulae that students have to learn for the numerical part of the paper. Okay, this video is related to the our previous video, which was about the passing package for the science for the SSLC students. So this is the paper pattern. I think students are aware of it. Now in this pattern, we will be telling you that how many internal choices will be there for the students, and how many questions will be there. So multiple choice question, that is the MCQs, will be 8. There will be no choice for the students here. 1 mark questions, no choice, 8 questions, and 2 mark questions, there will be 2 choices given. Okay, so how you have to understand the blueprint of the science, I have already uploaded a video about it, and the most probable questions and the passing package, everything has been uploaded. So this is the last segment of the science for the students. So 3 mark questions, 4 choices will be there, and in 4 mark questions, 1 internal choice will be there, and for the 5 mark there will be no choice. So totally 80 marks will be given. So coming on to the weightage of the marks. So in the physics part, the highest weightage is given for the physics part, that is the 28 marks. Then for the chemistry, then for the then for the bio, and then for the chemistry. Bio, they have given it as 27, and for the chemistry for 25. So if the students learn just the chemistry part and the biology part, and even here we have given that concept 3.4 and 3.5 will not be considered for evaluation. So in the textbook there is a concept with this number, you can check out there. So that part will be not considered. Here same for the carbon and its compounds, and for the how do organisms reproduce. So this is the weightage of the marks according to the subject, and the chapter wise questions are also uploaded, you can check that video out. Coming on to the another important formula part. So the important formulae which students need to learn for the numerical part of this of the paper is the first, from the electricity unit, electric charge. Okay, so the charge Q on a body is always denoted by Q is equals to Ne. Integral multiple of the electrons. N is will be the integer 1, 2, 3, how many electrons. E will be the charge of electron. Okay, so it is basically 1.6 into 10 power minus 27. So this is the charge of an electron. How many electrons are present? N will be that integer, that is the number of electrons. So that basically will give you a charge on a body. And coming on to the work done, then charge into potential difference. So charge, you can find it out using an electric current formula, that is I is equals to Q by T. So by that you can remember I is equals to Q by T. So Q, if you want to find it out, Q over here. Okay, so if you want to find out Q over here, then the Q will be I into T. See, so like that you need to substitute the formulas and do. And Ohm's law definition is also very important, and the formula is current into resistance. Resistance, the opposition given here. The triangle is being showed over here for your easy understanding. V is equals to IR, I is equals to V by R is equals to V by I. So this is how you will be able to remember the three formulas in one triangle. Coming on to the resistance. Okay, and in terms of resistivity, it is mu is equals to L by A, where L is the length, A is the area of a conductor. Then in series combination, how the resistors, the effective resistance is given, and in the parallel connection, how the effective resistance is been given, and in the electric power, how same triangle is been used. P is equals to IV, then I is equals to P by V is equals to P by I. Okay, how is the power segregated in the when it is in the series, in the parallel. Mirror formula, very important. 1 by F is equals to 1 by V. Okay, 1 by F is the focal length, V is the image distance, V is the image distance, U is the object distance. And magnification, height of the image to the height of the object. H dash is the height of the image. So this is the list of the important formula. Okay, coming on to the next. So magnification related to object distance. Okay, how if the object distance has been given and image distance has been given, how will you find out the magnification? The same previous formula, height of the image to the height of an object. Okay, then for the lens as well as for the mirror, it remains the same. Okay, refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. So this is the very important part the students need to understand. Medium 2, the refractive index of the medium 2. For example, if the medium 2 is the water, the medium 2 N refers to the refractive index. First comes the refractive index of the medium 1, then comes the medium 2. Okay, so speed of light in medium 1. What is the speed of light in the medium 1? That is the air, always. And the speed of light in medium 2, whatever the medium is there. For example, we are taking it as water. So you will substitute that values, it will be already given to you. Then you can find out the answer. Absolute refractive index, C by V. C is always referred as the speed of light in air, and V is always the speed of light in the whatever medium has been given. Okay, so lens formula, 1 by F is equals to 1 by V minus 1 by U. So this is very important. Previously we discussed the mirror formula. It was plus sign over here, if you can see, 1 by V plus 1 by U. But here, so 1 by F by 1 by V minus 1 by U. So this is the lens formula. Power of lens 1 by F, radius 2F. So if you want to find out the focal length, then it is half of the radius. You can remember in that way. See, I have given the formula as well. So what are the SI units and symbols? For electricity, it is kilowatt per hour. Okay, for electric current it is ampere, and for potential difference it is electric volt. Okay, and the symbol is V. Electric resistance, it is ohm, and it is represented like this. In coulomb, C, watt, W. Diopter, power is the power of lens, SI unit is diopter. Very important. The symbol is D. So this was the list of the important formulas for the students, which will be helpful for them to solve the numericals. So in this video, we have just discussed the paper pattern and the important formula for the students. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned with us for the upcoming important videos related to mathematics. So, Assalamualaikum, Jazakallahu khair. Best of luck for your exams.